What are Shopify tags used for? Shopify tags are organizational labels that help you categorize and manage different parts of your store, such as products, customers, orders, and blog posts. They act like keywords, allowing you to easily filter, search, and segment your store's content for better organization and smoother management. Tags are not visible to customers by default, but play a crucial role behind the scenes. You can use tags to group similar products, mark special items like sale or new, and create custom filters or automated collections. For customers, tags help you personalize marketing campaigns. For example, sending targeted emails to shoppers tagged as VIP or frequent buyer. They also make it easier to manage workflows, such as tagging orders for express shipping or pre-order. In real-world use, Shopify merchants rely on tags to simplify store management and automation. Tags can trigger specific actions using apps or automation tools, like applying discounts or sorting inventory. They help keep your store organized, data-driven, and responsive to customer behavior, improving both efficiency and sales. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to advanced tagging tools, smart automation options, and analytics that help you manage your store and personalize your customer experience effortlessly.